Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. When choosing a financial services platform, understanding the key features and services of Revolut and Robinhood is crucial. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Trading platforms. Both brokers offer robust trading platforms with tools suited for different types of investors. Revolut, the app provides a multi-currency account, cryptocurrency trading, and stock trading. Premium and metal accounts offer additional features like priority customer support and higher limits. Robinhood offers a streamlined mobile app and web platform focused on commission-free trading of stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. The interface is designed for ease of use, making it accessible to novice investors. Investment options. Both platforms provide various investment options, but their focuses differ. Revolut allows trading in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Users can also manage their money across multiple currencies, making it ideal for international transactions and travel. Robinhood specializes in commission-free trading of stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. It offers a straightforward approach to investing with no account minimums. Commissions and fees. Understanding the cost of trading and other fees is critical for investors. Revolut stock trading is commission-free for a limited number of trades per month, depending on the account tier. Additional trades incur a small fee. Cryptocurrency and commodity trading fees vary. Robinhood offers commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Robinhood Gold costs $5 per month and includes features like margin trading and access to research reports. Research and education. Both platforms offer resources to help users make informed decisions, but the depth varies. Revolut provides basic market data, price alerts, and limited research tools. Premium users have access to more detailed analytics and market insights. Robinhood offers research reports, market data, analyst ratings, and news. It also provides educational resources like articles and a podcast to help users understand investing. Security and accessibility. Robust security measures are vital for safeguarding user funds. Revolut employs advanced security features, including two-factor authentication, disposable virtual cards, and real-time transaction notifications. Users can freeze and unfreeze their cards instantly via the app. Robinhood implements strong security measures, including two-factor authentication, biometric login, and encryption. Securities are protected up to $500,000 through SIP insurance. Margin and leverage. For users interested in trading with leverage, comparing margin offerings is important. Revolut does not offer margin trading at present. The platform is more focused on currency exchange and basic trading features. Robinhood offers margin trading through its Robinhood Gold account, which costs $5 per month. Users can borrow money to trade stocks and ETFs, with margin rates based on the amount borrowed. Promotions and bonuses. Introductory offers can add value for new investors. Revolut occasionally offers promotions such as cashback on certain purchases, referral bonuses, and fee waivers for new premium account holders. Robinhood often provides promotional offers like free stocks for new users who sign up and link their bank account. Referral bonuses are also common. Target audience. Understanding the target audience helps in choosing the right platform. Revolut appeals to tech-savvy users, frequent travelers, and those needing multi-currency accounts and international money transfer services. Robinhood targets younger, novice investors looking for an easy-to-use platform for commission-free trading. Its straightforward interface and lack of account minimums make it accessible to those new to investing.